बोगली था जंगल में, hiding behind the bush. Mummy Papa were ready to do an ambush. नजर पड़ी मम्मी की while he was tasting the freshest fruits. That day, he was brought back to his roots. घर आके हो गया वो change. But still, there was something strange. He didn't like the taste. He didn't like the smell. So he kept running back to the trees. He didn't like the taste. He didn't like the smell. Escape the struggles to feed freshness-loving Bowgli with LG linear cooling refrigerator that keeps food naturally fresh and hygienic for really long. Now Bowgli stays at home because he gets more than fresh, farm fresh.